I've made just over $200,000 from projects I've worked on inside Canva. And some of that was while I was still working full-time. I quit my job in 2025, and this year I've been diving deep into how Claude can make my Canva projects even better. So I want to show you exactly how I make money with these tools and how you can get started today, even if you're brand new and starting from scratch. So the first way I've ever made money with Canva is by selling digital downloads, things like planners, checklists, and trackers. The great thing about this type of product is that after a customer makes a purchase, you don't have to do anything on your end. It automatically gets sent to them where they can download it and use it on their computer or print it and fill it out by hand. I designed mine from scratch using Canva, but you can absolutely use pre-made templates to customize if you don't want to start with a blank artboard. You can also use Claude to help you make unique planners inside Canva from scratch. I have a tutorial on how to make digital products using Canva and Claude, like ebooks, activity sheets, and checklists, which I will link for you down below. But you can sign up for a free account using your email. And when you're on the homepage, click on Customize and connect your apps. You can then connect Canva, which grants Claude access where it can design products for you and send it directly to your account. From there, it's all about giving Claude the right prompts to generate the designs you want to offer to your customers. Now, these obviously have a much lower barrier to entry because they're pretty easy to create. And that's a pro and a con at the same time. Because although you can design a bunch of planners and checklists using these two tools very quickly, it also makes it very competitive. So one of the best ways to make sales is to get very clear on who your product is for. Some examples are social media planners for coaches and freelancers, Airbnb cleaning checklists, or a daily lesson planner for teachers. I've made almost $20,000 with these types of digital downloads, but that took some time to build up because they're low ticket items, right? I only charged $5 to $7 on average for every product. So if you're looking for an even more profitable digital product to make in Canva, then you can try Canva templates, which is another great beginner-friendly option. A Canva template is a plug-and-play product that you share with your customers so they can personalize it for themselves on their end. Things like business cards, social media posts, presentation slides, invoices, etc. The bigger problem your template can solve, the more you can charge. For example, a few years ago, I spent a few $100s on a slide deck template because it came with a big bundle of beautiful slides in different colors, and I was willing to pay for it because it saved me a ton of time when creating my course lessons. One Canva template I used to sell was a set of wall art size guides. I had originally created them for my own online shop when I was selling printable wall art, and I was always getting questions from other shop owners about what sizes they should offer and what the different ratio sizes actually meant. So since I knew that many sellers were struggling with this and I already had these guides made, I decided to package them up as a template that other shop owners could customize and use for their own listings. Now, if you can connect your Claude account to Canva, like I showed in the previous example, then you can get Claude to design your Canva templates from scratch using inspirational photos and very specific prompts on what you're envisioning. After it makes them for you, you can further customize them in your Canva account until you're happy with them. I show you how to make Canva templates step by step using Claude in this video, so I'll link that for you down below. Okay, let's stick with the theme of selling digital products inside Canva because this next idea can be even more profitable: selling ebooks. This is where you can turn your experience and your knowledge into an educational digital product that helps other people achieve the outcome that you have. I love this product because it's a lower barrier to entry for your customers since it's typically a low ticket offer priced between $17 and $47 on average, sometimes more. So it's easier for them to say yes because it's a lower risk for them. And if your ebook is really good, it will help them get a quick win, which will build more trust in you, and they're more likely to invest in a higher ticket digital product down the road if you offer it. My best-selling ebook was created entirely inside Canva. I've been selling it for a couple of years now on the side and have made tens of thousands of dollars from it. I've learned that in order for an ebook to sell over and over again, it has to be based on your personal experience so it doesn't sound like everyone else's. On top of that, it should include interactive elements like templates or video tutorials to elevate its value. I've been told that my ebook almost feels like a mini course in a way because I include extra resources for my customers to consume, which has helped them take action on the tips I share. Now, I have a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an ebook from scratch using Claude, which I will link for you down below. You'll learn how to research competitive ebooks in your niche, how to come up with a unique selling proposition so your ebook stands out, how to create extra resources for your customers, and much more. So be sure to check that out. Canva also does offer ebook templates that can save you a lot of time when it comes to designing them, especially if you upgrade to their pro version. Okay, let's switch gears for a minute because I think this next way I make money with Claude is going to be really useful if you're a content creator, and that's writing YouTube scripts. This is for you if you already have a channel, you're planning to start one, or you want to offer script writing as a service to other creators. So personally, I hate writing. Ever since I was in school, writing has always been a struggle for me. I write all my video scripts by myself, so script writing tends to be the most time-consuming task in my business. I've tested other AI tools to help me with my scripts, but they never quite sounded like me until I tried Claude. I have found that it's been the best so far at adapting to my tone of voice, and it feels the most natural and conversational. So here's how I use Claude as my writing assistant. Keyword assistant, because we don't want any AI tool to just fully write our scripts for us. First, I recommend starting a dedicated project inside Claude for your channel or your client's channel so everything can stay in one place. Then upload files that Claude can reference every time it helps you write out a new script. For example, I have a file for my brand voice, one for my target audience, and then another for my copy examples. This is where I've pasted scripts I've written myself in the past and that have performed well on my channel. So I want Claude to know how I write and what my audience responds to positively. For every script, I start a new chat inside the project and brain dump all my ideas for that video. Things like stories I want to share and the strategies I want to teach. Then I ask Claude to turn it into a structured outline for the video. From there, I'll go back and forth, scripting each segment word for word. If it writes a paragraph for me, I'll refine it, then feed it back into Claude so it can learn how I speak and adjust the next sections to match my tone even more. Now, obviously, I make money from my channel in many different ways, like AdSense, affiliate income, sponsorships, and selling my own products. So this is a task I prioritize. By the way, if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel or you already have one and you want to use it to sell educational digital products like I do, you can check out my free guide called the YouTube Lead System down below. I break down how to make YouTube videos that will make you sales. Now, one of my favorite digital products to offer, and one I highly recommend, is hosting a live online workshop. A live workshop is typically a 1 to 2 hour training that you host live over something like Zoom, where you teach a specific outcome and often include extra resources like a workbook or spreadsheet so people can take action as they go. So think about something you could teach to a small group of people in 2 hours or less. My first live workshop was built entirely inside Canva, and I ran it last year. It was called the Profitable YouTube Content Plan, and I generated just over $6,000 from it. I used a Canva slide deck template I mentioned earlier, which I had purchased from another creator. Now, you can take this even further by using Claude to generate your slide content and then sending it straight into Canva, where you can customize the slides further. What I love about workshops compared to other digital products is that you don't have to build them before you sell them. Fun fact, I didn't create my workshop content until after I got my first sale. You can validate the offer first by getting those initial sales and then build the content afterwards. Now, my first workshop was split into 2 one-hour sessions, and I added Q&A at the end of each one. I also gave students a spreadsheet as homework, and they got lifetime access to the replays, which I uploaded into a Dropbox folder. Behind the scenes, I've also been running YouTube live streams on my second channel, and for each stream, I prepare presentation slides. Since I do this weekly on top of all my other content, I've been using Claude as my assistant to help generate the structure and slide content based on my experience and strategies. It honestly takes me about 15 minutes to put together a full live training because Claude saves me so much time. To take this a step further, the next way I make money with Canva and Claude is by selling courses. You can consider a mini course that covers one specific topic to a full signature program that takes your students through a complete transformation. I've personally sold multiple courses over the years, and my main program right now is a membership where all the lessons were built inside Canva slides. I also created the majority of the supporting documents inside Canva as well. Every single module has a PDF that links to all the resources that my students need, and those were all designed in Canva too. I even recorded all the lessons inside Canva using the present and record feature. Now, a course does take longer to build than the other products I've mentioned, but that's also why you can charge more for it. The transformation is bigger, the content is more comprehensive, and once it's built, it becomes a great evergreen product that continues to sell over and over again. Now, this is where Claude really becomes your assistant. You can use it to help you structure your entire program, brainstorm your modules and lessons, put together your slides, and even develop additional resources like checklists, cheat sheets, and PDF guides. It takes so much of the heavy lifting out of the development process. And just like the workshop, you can pre-sell your course before you build it. You always want to validate your idea first by getting at least a handful of students through the door before you start creating the content. Now, just to give you a couple of examples here, I launched my very first coaching program back in early 2021 to a very small but very targeted audience, and I made just over $8,000. Then last year, when I launched my signature program, I had built up my email list by then, and I made $30,000 from that launch. You absolutely do not need a massive audience to launch your first coaching program or digital course. It just needs to be the right audience. All right, switching gears again, this next one is a service rather than a digital product, but it's such a good opportunity, especially if you're already comfortable inside Canva. You can offer to create social media posts for small business owners as a service. I personally used to have a virtual assistant who handled all my social media posts for me. I'm fully capable of doing it myself, but I have so many other things on my plate that I was more than happy to hand it off to someone else. And that's exactly how most small business owners feel too. To get started, you can use existing Canva templates as your base, but before you dive in, spend time studying your client's aesthetic. Look at how they currently show up on social media, the colors they use, the way they design their posts, and do your best to match that. If you're just starting out and you don't have clients yet, consider offering to work for free for a short period of time or at a discounted rate. It gives them a chance to see how you work, and once they do, converting them into a paying client becomes a lot easier. You can also take this into a very specific niche, like designing custom thumbnails for YouTubers, Pinterest pins for bloggers, or Instagram carousels for coaches. And throughout all of this, Claude can be your behind-the-scenes assistant. You can use it to brainstorm content ideas, write captions, or even put together a full content calendar for your client. I'm personally super passionate about this next way I make money with these tools, and that's working with brand sponsors. I've been working with sponsors since 2021, and it's become one of my favorite income streams because I only partner with brands that I genuinely believe in and actually use myself. If you're already creating content, especially on YouTube, I highly recommend considering brand collaborations as another income stream in your business. Brands that align with your niche and audience are willing to pay you a flat fee to get in front of your viewers. And here's something really important to understand. You do not need millions of subscribers to make this work. You just need the right audience for the right brand. One member inside my YouTube program actually landed her first brand deal with just 80 subscribers. The brand knew her audience was highly targeted and relevant to what they offer, and that was enough. To pitch a sponsor, there are two main things you're going to need. The first is a media kit, which you can build entirely inside Canva. It should include a short bio, your audience demographics, key stats like views, subscribers, and engagement, and either past brand deals or examples of your content. The second is a pitch email, and this is where Claude comes in. Claude can help you write something that feels personal and professional without sounding like a generic outreach template. My advice before you start pitching is to only reach out to brands you've actually tested and would genuinely recommend. Don't forget, if you want to use YouTube to sell your educational digital products like ebooks, workshops, and courses, then you can grab my free guide, The YouTube Lead System, down below. Head over to this video next where I share how a $7 digital download helped me quit my job. I'll see you there.